Hello wonderful people. Yeah, this is a 2.8 kV SPG 3000 fireman generator, as you can see. So I want to teach you guys how to change an engine seat for this generator. You can see the mounting seat at pull out, as you can see. So I want to teach you guys how to change the engine seat. As you can see, it has pulled out from the frame, as you can see. So, and this could cause so many things. You could even remove the hose from this thing. You can see it's pulling out by itself, and even some wires can disconnect some wire here. So we're gonna change this engine seat. So let's go. So firstly, we're gonna lose down the tank first. As you can see, we're gonna lose down the tank. As you can see. Down the tank. The tank. We're gonna lose down the tank. The tank. You can see. So we remove the hose. See. Remove the tank. Put it aside. As you can see. Aside. So we're gonna lose this exhaust outside because it's the 4 engine seat that pull up, as you can see. So if you have any question, please kindly drop a comment below, as you can see. Yeah. See, put it aside. So lose the exhaust. This is with 12,000 rings to lose the exhaust. Yeah, lose the exhaust. Lose the exhaust. So, broken of the engine seat can make the generator to vibrate. You can see it won't balance. Just see your gen shaking, dangling in here. So you just have to replace it. As you can see. So we have to remove the washer and the spring washer over there. So remove the exhaust. See, remove the exhaust put aside, as you can see. So for us to remove this engine seat, we have to lose this hanger holding the exhaust, as you can see. So we have to remove the hanger, as you can see. So that's going to be easy for us. Wow, this thing is tight, so I need to use other tools. I'll make it very easy for me to use. As you can see, I'll make use of this. And you're gonna tap it. Okay. Don't forget, if you have any question, please kindly drop a comment below. Yeah. And if you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Yeah. As you can see, put it aside. So we'll lose this seat. Broken engine set. side. So we lose this one too also. You see. So you come over here. Okay, let me just turn the jet so it can be easy for us. So you lose this place too also. One over here too. As you can see. Lose this too. As you can see. Also. So what next now is to lose the one underneath. As you can see, there's a knot underneath, so we're gonna lose this and just put it like this. As you can see, simple as ABC. You can see. Wow. As you can see, so lose this too also. So the last one, lose this last one. As you can see. So we are done losing the broken seat. So let's just remove them. Let's remove them. As you can see, put them on one side. See, these are the broken seat. So remove them. So put them one side. As you can see. So we're gonna go get a new engine seat right now. So we'll be back shortly. Welcome guys. So we've gotten the new engine seat. As you can see, it is a new engine seat. So we're gonna insert this engine seat. As you can see, it's a new one. So we're gonna insert it. Let's start from here. So to insert this seat, we're gonna raise this up a little bit. As you can see, it's very simple. Very simple, and you can just put the dots at the top of it. You can do it. This one too also. Put the knot at the top of it. So you can see. So turn the tent to the other side. As you can see. So this one too also. Bring it up a little bit. As you can see, put a knot on top of it over here. As you can see, so the last one, last one, you raise it up onto also. See. Mind you, don't forget this one has feet underneath. As you can see, so put it there before we start the knot on it. As you can see. So now what left to do is to set it to the hole underneath and screw it up. You have to screw it under. As you can see, set it. So as you can see, we've not started tightening it strong, so we just have to set it first before tighten it. So it's very easy. So if you have any questions, please kindly drop a comment below. As you can see, so we set this one to also. As you can see, set it to also tighten it. I think this one is still a bit stubborn. So right now we are going to tighten it strong. As you can see, tighten it strong. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's very important. As you can see, first tighten it. Underneath first. Roll tight. Roll tight. Side. As you can see, there's a hook there that hold it there, and also here too. Also, likewise, this one too has a hook that hold it to the armature cover. As you can see, so you make sure it's set to it before tightening it. And this one too, we have to tighten this to the upper side. We've also tighten it very well. Make sure it's tight firmly, so it won't lose while the gen is working. As you can see, the short tight is well. Very well. As you can see. So the last one is actually the last part of it. As you can see, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Important. It's thin. Yeah. So what next now is to insert the hanger. You can see, and insert this back. Insert this back. You can see. See, so you you have any question, please kindly drop a comment below. Very, very important. Wow. Make sure you tighten it very well. Make sure it's firm. As you can see. Just firm. Sure it's firm. Sure it's yeah. So after insert the exhaust, as you can see, exhaust. Insert the exhaust. As you can see. So put the washer and the spring washer on the side. As you can see. So the hanger. Sure. Inside the boat. This is what holds the exhaust firmly. That's one pull out to the time. So tighten it very well. Make sure it's firm. Make sure it's firm. Make sure it's firm. See? You have to tighten it firmly too also. Make sure it's well tight. It's very, very important. Yeah. You can see that's how the gem is very, very firm. So inside the guide. Inside the guide. Have it there. As you can see, the chain is now firm. So what next now is to insert the tank. Yeah, just put the tank. Insert the tank. As you can see. If you have any question, please kindly drop a comment below. So the boat attached to the tank. power, we are done. So we're gonna put on this gen right now for us to hear the sound. As you can see, put on the gen and see. So that was how to change an engine seat for a 2.8 kV generator. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. We love you.